Here we go. You don't talk? What the fuck? Hell no, they act like they don't know how to speak English, talking the sign language and shit.
So what's the word, man? It's your boy Lavish TV, and welcome back to another Little Lavish video, man. Today, as you see, man, we at the beach. You know what I'm saying? First little day of summer. So look, today we finna be getting girls' numbers without saying a word. For I ain't even finna say shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know I'm P, capital P. I ain't finna do too much talking, man. Make sure you like the video, comment, share, subscribe, and go ahead and get that bell to ring, man. We ain't finna get too much talking in, man. We finna get straight to it. Alright, folks. Look at the folks fucking up the video. But alright. Finna see what's to their ass, folks.
Which one you want, bro?
Shit.
Whichever one on me.
Sorry. Damn, I got sand on the pandas, folks. Damn. Y'all, I don't even think y'all can see me right now. They can't even see us right now. No, I'm talking about the camera. Yeah, the females.
That's what you're trying to do.
Come on, bro. Damn. Oh, bird. It's a bird. It's a plane looking at us. I was saying the word on phone. For none. If I get rejected, y'all can't say shit either, focus in the comments, cause you know this shit low key it's kind of hard, but I look good, so it's not really that hard. Get ready for.
You want? Okay.
Nah, I can't even do it. Basically, it was like a little prank and shit.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
But nah, you still cute though. I'm definitely.
All right. I thought.
Yeah, I should have never told her it was a prank. I just tweaked. I should have never told her it was a prank, folks. What the fuck? Damn. Alright, folks. See some motherfuckers right here and shit. Finna see what's to their ass. Damn, hella sand. Damn. Oh my god, hold on. Damn. Finna say something to their ass real quick though. Well, I'm not finna say shit. I already know.
Oh, hell no, you ain't gonna do that. You ain't just do that. He ain't say nothing. You right there. My name's Chris. You ain't gonna talk? He tried to do that. Now he knows. I seen that video. What then y'all ain't gonna introduce yourselves. What's your name? What's your name? You don't talk? What the fuck? You ain't no damn link, y'all. What type of shit y'all ass on? Instagram. He ain't deaf. Tear, they're not deaf. They fucking around. Y'all trying to prank us or something? You can't keep a fucking straight face and shit. Y'all ass playing. What? Boy, I ain't finna play with you. You play no damn charades. I'm not finna play with you. For real. Hell no, they act like they don't know how to speak English, talking in sign language and shit. And, oh my God, y'all ass ridiculous. Y'all can't fucking talk. That's why I said now y'all can't talk. You can't
I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's a YouTube video, bro. Without saying shit. Yeah. On photo. I ain't gonna lie. If motherfuckers wasn't finna get a line, I was finna have to talk. Right?
Oh my gosh, you scared me so bad. No, I can't. I have a man, sorry.
Damn! I'm 3 for 4. I just took my first L, fo. Ain't no way she just said I got a man, fo. With hot chips crumbs on her face, fo. That's crazy, fo. See, it always be the mid ones. Them be the ones, fo. That shit crazy. Alright, fo. Back to fucking up my dunks. That's what I'm saying. Fucking my shit up, man. I'm just finna take these bitches. I got blind, fo. You keep getting the thick booty holes, man.
No, that's the one I want.
Who?
Like the girl on the left, I think I know.
Okay. So he.
I might. Okay. She look like this girl. Like she built like this girl I know.
On bro. Blind. She look a little tall though. She blind look a little tall. I'm finna stand on the tall part of the sand so I could be your same height. So I'm finna stand on the tall part of the sand so I could be your same height.
Bro.
Oh yeah, she look like what's that rapper name?
Here you go. Well, that's my name.
I can't hold it in, bro. That shit be hard as hell to act. But yeah, this little video, he recording right there, bro.
Who recording?
It ain't got your face in
It
it.
ain't your face in it, you know what I'm saying? Just in case you got some little, you know.
We'll blur it out.
Oh, bro.